And maybe one of our guests has a winner. And moving on to the next question. This is Ned from Las Vegas, interested in a Las Vegas favorite, Wynn Resorts,
Ah, Stephen Wynn.
which is a an establishment I've been to before.
Yeah. Yeah, me as well. They're nice. Okay. I like Wynn Resorts. It's a little bit on the higher price side, although it looks like it has come down just a couple of months ago. Uh, uh, interesting enough, we've been talking about how people will be spending more money on food and fuel just to get to work this summer. So you almost think that these hospitality type sectors will see a sell off. With that said, it looks like Wynn Resorts is having a little bit of a pullback. I almost feel like this could be a nice swing trade down. We're getting a pullback and we might be getting a signal. In fact, I've already developed on the Fast MACD an indicator. So maybe this evening going into next week, we would figure out how to short Wynn. Let's make sure we look over at the option chain. Oh, okay, great. So in contrast to the Container Store, you can see, first of all, we're trading just about every dollar. Sometimes we're trading every 50 cents. Um, yeah, look at this January 2023 option. We're trading, okay, here we're trading every $2.50. Let's look at the September option. Trading every $2.50. But in this case, because the underlying symbol is not, $6, it's $65. If I show you now the increments every $2.50, you can kind of see I've got a lot of possibilities because $2.50 compared to the going price of the stock, I can still set up nice trade zones with this granularity. That's the difference between trading against a $67 or $70 stock and a stock that's $6 when you have $2.50 increments. So I'm good with that. I'm also good with, the open interest here. The open interest is in the hundreds, if not thousands, on both the call and the put side. The bid ask spread. In other words, there's actually people trading these options. And so we can get in there. There's all sorts of choices for trading it all the way up to January 2024. We've got near-term options that are heavily traded. So great. We've got a market. We've got options we could trade. So the idea is to identify the pattern. I'd be looking at Wynn Resorts as a swing trade down. And then, of course, once I got into that swing trade down, what I'd like to do is put on some sort of measurement about how far down I think it will go. And if it falls short of that measurement, I'll do a hybrid trade. I'll sell some premium and make some short-term income on it. So I think Wynn Resorts, we can trade it right on the threshold between being a swing trade and being a premium trade. That's the beautiful part about options. We can adjust on the fly. And if it's not giving us the returns we want on the swing trade, we could sell premium and make a little income while we're waiting for the swing trade to recalibrate.